Retail and institutional investors have firmly reasserted their dominance in India's financial ecosystem, catapulting the mutual fund industry to an unprecedented milestone. That's right. Now, according to the latest official data released by the AMFI, net inflows into equity mutual funds staged a powerful recovery, surging 26.5% month-on-month to reach 28,973 crores. Now, this massive rebound effectively reverses the sharp 40% deceleration witnessed in May, when investors temporarily tightened their purse strings amid heightened macroeconomic friction, easing Middle East tensions and rupee stabilization measures. Now, the crowning jewel of the June report is the historic performance of the SIP book. That's right. Defying global market jitters, monthly SIP contributions breached a psychological barrier to hit an all-time high of 31,781 crores, up 3% from 30,954 crores in May. Now, this unrelenting retail momentum paired with strong capital appreciation lifted the industry's total AUM to a lifetime peak of 82.22 lakh crores. The numbers conclusively demonstrate that structural retail participation has evolved into a formidable counterweight to volatile FPI flows, providing a highly resilient localized cushion for Indian equity indices. Let's talk about mid-cap and small-cap performance, which have taken center stage. A granular look at the equity segment reveals that mid-cap and small-cap funds continue to serve as the primary engine of the active equity segment, massively outperforming large-cap counterparts in fresh allocation velocity. Mid-cap funds are leading the inflow charge. The category has recorded the strongest month-on-month growth. Major equity segments drawing almost 6,090 crores in June. Now, this is a massive 39% surge from 4,385 crores registered in May, reflecting aggressive investors' risk appetite for mid-tier corporate earnings potential. If you talk about small cap, again, the momentum over here is very strong, and the category has attracted almost 5,600 crores in fresh net inflows during June. Now, this represents 13.3 sequential jump from 4,945 crores recorded in the previous month, indicating that despite high valuation and strict regulatory warnings regarding market frauds, retail investors continue to buy small cap dips aggressively. Large cap funds lagged far behind as compared to mid cap and small cap, tracking an inflow of 2,067 crores, up from May's 1,592 crores though. Meanwhile, large and mid cap blend funds saw a notable bump of 4,321 crores, and multi cap mandates secured 3,070 crores. Now, the underlying index performance heavily validated these retail fund choices. Now, in June 2026, while the benchmark Nifty 50 rose by a modest 1.4%, mid-cap and small-cap indices registered much sharper recoveries, driving the immediate NAV bumps across active growth funds. Market experts attribute this to resilient local economic indicators, strong credit growth, and healthy GST collections that point to impending corporate earnings upgrades. Elsewhere in the ecosystem, sector-specific thematic funds witnessed a 127% rise in inflows, 1,469 crores, driven primarily by new thematic NFO pipelines. Hybrid categories remained highly attractive, with arbitrage funds bringing in 5,799 crores, multi-asset allocation funds capturing 4,810 crores. Gold and silver ETFs staged a remarkable recovery, drawing net inflows of almost 3,443 crores, completely reversing May's 725 crores net outflow. Conversely, the debt segment experienced a standard cyclical net outflow of 1 lakh crores.